Hi there, this is Jock Showalter, President at Dealer Peak. I wanted to tell you about a great event that's coming up November 12th, 13th, and 14th in Los Angeles. So if there's any way you're going to be in LA or you can get to LA on those dates, again, November 12th, 13th, and 14th, this is a great event. It's the Internet Sales 20 Group. And there's going to be all kinds of great trainers, industry experts, and a tremendous opportunity to network with fellow dealers, fellow internet directors. You're going to find out all kinds of different ways to really take your internet sales to the next level. This is a real close-knit group of people who really care about dealers. And it's not so much like some of the bigger vendors. I think there's going to be a real opportunity to meet a lot of your peers and find out what's working. Again, that's November 12th through the 14th in Los Angeles. It's the InternetSales20Group.com is where you go register. And by the way, if you put in our code, Dealer Peak's code, which is DealerPeak1112, when you register, you'll save $250 off the registration fee. So when you go there, write down that code, DealerPeak1112, and save $250. In addition, I know a lot of the other vendors that are going to be there are they're giving away thousands of dollars in free leads, in free consulting and training services. So there's a tremendous amount of value in that alone. Dealer Peak itself has some sweet giveaways. Either you can choose from a special finance microsite, or we're offering a subscription to our Appraise. It's our new appraisal tool. Or our online negotiation system, which drives a huge amount of lead volume on your website. So there's lots of great reasons to be there. Again, Dealer Peak has some great giveaways for the first 20 people that come and see us in person. Plus, we'd love to meet you. Whether you're an existing Dealer Peak customer and we haven't met face-to-face, this is a great opportunity to put a face with a name. We'd love to shake your hand. And we'd also like to meet as many other dealers that are out there too and find out what's working for them and see how we can help them, and maybe they can pass along some good information to us that we can share. So it's just a really great event, and we really hope to see you there at the Internet Sales 20 Group in Los Angeles, November 12th, 13th, and 14th. Thank you very much.